vehicles. Hide and seek pop-ups with 5 pop-up surprises. Bear, can you hear a choo-choo chugging all around? Choo-choo. Let's peek inside the tunnel and follow that sound. Wow! It's a train! Choo-choo! Wow! Bear, can you hear a whir whir up in the sky? Whir! Let's look behind that cloud and see what you can spy. Whir! Wow! It's a helicopter! Wow! Bear, can you hear a honk honk way out in the sea? Honk honk! Let's look behind the rock to see what it could be. It's a boat! Honk honk! Honk honk! Bear, can you hear a chug chug over the field? Let's roll away the hay bales and see what is revealed. Chug chug! It's a tractor! Chug chug! Look, and Mr. Chicken, Mr. Rooster is driving the tractor. Ha! All the noisy vehicles are here, but where is our friend Bear? Can you hear a beep beep coming from over there? Beep beep! Beep beep! It's Bear! Hello Bear! He's in a car! Beep beep! I hope you'll join me for another story!